This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream glue for phone cases. First, gather your materials: 100% silicone caulk, cornstarch, and acrylic paint for color. You will also need a mixing bowl, a sturdy spatula, and piping bags with your favorite decorative tips. Make sure your phone case is completely clean and dry before you begin this fun crafting project. Now, let's mix the glue. In your bowl, combine equal parts of the silicone caulk and cornstarch. For example, if you use 1/4 cup of caulk, use 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Add a few drops of acrylic paint to achieve your desired color. Mix everything thoroughly with your spatula until the mixture is smooth and completely lump-free, resembling real whipped cream. Next, transfer your freshly mixed whipped cream glue into a piping bag fitted with your chosen decorative tip. Now, you can begin applying the glue onto your phone case in any patterns or designs you like. Remember to work relatively quickly, as this special glue starts to set within about 15 minutes, so plan your design in advance. Finally, it's time for curing. Once you've finished decorating, allow your phone case to cure completely for at least 24 hours in a well-ventilated area. It is crucial to avoid touching or moving the case during this initial curing period to ensure the design sets perfectly. After it's fully dry, your unique, custom phone case is ready to show off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.